Whenever you want to quickly access a program on your computer, you would click on the shortcut of the program on your Windows desktop. Usually, a shortcut gets created when you install a program. Sometimes you'll be asked whether you want to create a shortcut on your desktop or not. Here's how you do it with different internet browsers on your Windows computer. Create a YouTube shortcut on your desktop with Google Chrome. First, visit the YouTube page. Then go to the top right-hand corner of the Chrome browser where you can see the 3 vertical dots. Click on the 3 dots. Select More Tools. Choose Create Shortcut. A small window pops up. You can name your shortcut and click on Create. You'll see on your desktop the shortcut to YouTube. Clicking on the shortcut will open the YouTube page. Now you no longer have to launch your Chrome browser and type in the YouTube URL. Create a YouTube shortcut on your desktop with Microsoft Edge. If you're using Microsoft Edge, you don't have to launch the browser to create a YouTube shortcut on your desktop. Instead, just right-click on some free space on the Windows desktop. Click on New and then select Shortcut. On the item location box, type YouTube's URL and hit Next. In the following Create Shortcut window, rename your shortcut. Type YouTube or your preferred name and hit Finish. A YouTube shortcut is created on your Windows desktop. Clicking on the YouTube shortcut on the desktop screen brings you to the YouTube home page on Microsoft Edge. Create a YouTube shortcut on your desktop with Mozilla Firefox. Creating a YouTube shortcut on your desktop with Mozilla Firefox is a straightforward process. Much simpler than Chrome and Edge. You can do it within minutes. Launch the browser and go to the YouTube page you want to create a desktop shortcut for. In our case, we've selected the YouTube News page. Next, minimize the Mozilla browser. Then drag the page icon to the Windows desktop. Now you've created a YouTube shortcut on your desktop with the Mozilla browser. You've now seen how we have created YouTube shortcuts on your desktop using 3 different browsers. All you have to do is set the YouTube page you want the browser to open and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.